What is up, everybody? My name is Jeannide and I got what you need, baby. So today we're getting into this hair, honey, that I keep swinging back and forth. This hair by Pizzazz hair. And we're also going to do a very beginner friendly install because I'm a beginner. This is my first Amazon wig. I've never purchased a wig off of Amazon before. I don't think I've ever purchased a lace front before either, now when I think about it. Wait, no, I have done another lace front before, but this is my like second lace front out of all time. We're going to talk about, you know, the specs of this wig and how I installed it today. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. I actually did like a very easy beginner friendly method because I'm a beginner. Okay, I'm chill. I almost messed up the bleaching process. So hope that you enjoy this hope that you enjoy this video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. I'm so nervous. This is my first wig. It's human hair. It's not a synthetica. I'm nervous. I'm not even gonna lie. I know before I even made the order, I prayed to God. I was like, Lord Jesus, let this fit my head. Let it actually be the inches it's supposed to be. You know, they call it unboxings, right? But this is not a box, it's a bag. So this is my unbagging of the Pizzazz hair. I actually got the longest, like 24 inches. Hair color, natural color, can be dyed, bleached, straightened, and restyled as you like. Features, it says baby hair round, free part, bleached hair, bleached knots, glueless wig. Is it really glueless? I'm excited because I'm a beginner. Like, I'm a baby when it comes to wigs, like lace front wigs. I'm a baby. I'm scared though, to be honest. I have a big head. Like, my dome is huge. Actually, it came in a plastic bag, and then, you know, I opened the plastic bag up and Lysol this bag and whatnot. I should have Lysol on the inside, but we're about to open it. Oh, this looks like the length I want. This looks true to length. Oh, this is long, baby. Oh. Ooh, I like the cut. Ooh, I like it. Yeah, this was falling off the bag. This wasn't even like closed, this bag that it came in, but it's okay. Oh my God, this is pretty. Oh wait, this is 150% density. I love the curl pattern. This curl pattern is perfect. This is exactly what I wanted, so I'm very happy about that. Maybe the Lysol spray probably permeated through because it smells like Lysol. These knots are not bleached. If you get all up in it, you really gonna see the weft. I see the weft. It has the straps. It has combs. 1, 2, 3, 4. I was filling the bag and I felt like they gave me a whole bunch of stuff in here. Okay, so I see one stop it. Okay, one wig cap. What else? What? That is that it? Oh, so there's a goodie. What is? See, there are lashes. Thank you. Yay, we got lashes. They're like, ooh, they're a little too long for me. Ooh, wait, is that shedding? Oh shit, we got it already. Wow. They said what, medium brown lace. Shoot, I don't think I need to tint my lace. It's pretty dark. Or is it too dark? Oh shoot, it could be too, because I'm light skinned. I was so nervous that it wasn't gonna be big head friendly, but it's pretty big head friendly. I have a big head and I feel like it's still a little big on me. Like, I have a lot of room. I definitely should make this tighter, because my wig, if I just leave it like this, my wig is not gonna be secured at all. Like, it's not. It's definitely big head friendly, and I have a big head. I'm surprised because it actually said like that the default I guess cap size is medium. This is a large medium, like like it's bigger than what I need. You see this? Shoot, this is child. Oh God, I love this. This is so soft. Like, this is exactly the texture that I wanted it to be. Like, and exactly the length that I wanted it to like fall, because it falls all the way down here. Ooh, the bag. Ooh, shoot, right in my face. Hold on. I expected it to be way more full since it's 150% density, but it's summertime anyway. Like, I can't have super full hair anyway, so it's okay. But I did expect something. I expected a little more than this. I love the length. I'm very satisfied with the length. It's plucked pretty well. I don't know. I'll do some extra plucking if I'm bored, but And you see this baby hair? This is some realistic baby hair. Like, I'm gonna have fun with this baby hair for real. Oh, this is 2 pieces. Wait, so I put both of them on my head by mistake, I guess, if it's supposed to be 2 pieces. Hold on. Yeah, these clips are small. They're not wide at all. They're very short in width. You see, why is it all the way back there? You see what it, you see all this is lace? All of this is lace. And then the clip is back here. That, I think it's too far back. Why is it so far back? You know, they're trying to mess up my edges. I don't have time for it. So I'm gonna see what I can do and I'll be back. What I realized is that, okay, when people spray, you know, the got to be free spray onto here, of course, I tried doing that. And then when you try, at the end of the day, when you're trying to take off your wig and you take this off, like, all of your hairs sticks to this. So I'm like, I'm not doing that. So instead, we're going to take this got to be spray and all the glue stuff. I'm putting it directly onto the wig instead of like my forehead in this area. Like, honestly and truly, like, I'm not trying to mess up my edges. I'm really trying to find a way to not mess up my edges. So I'm just going to wipe off whatever product. Well, it's not, I don't even have any product. It's really sweat. So I have a clean slate for this wig. The way I bleached it, it could have gone left real quick. Like, honestly, just go on YouTube and watch people how they bleach it. And it's tinted, yo. I got a whole story about this. I'll tell it later, maybe in a voiceover, about what I went through with this wig. I went through a lot. Like, honestly, I could have messed up my lace. That's why I wanted to film what I did, but child. When I first got the wig, I actually did put makeup on it. I was like, okay, let me try, you know, putting makeup on it. Let me see how the knots will look if I put makeup on it. So I used like concealer and used a powder, but then, oh child, like, when I actually wore the wig with the glue and everything, like, it just made everything crusty. It just made my lace look crusty. Like, my lace front was super crusty that day, I guess Friday. But now it's not crusty anymore because I washed all the makeup off and then I bleached it, of course. And there's a little tint left on the lace. But that's great, you know, because it actually blends really well. I used 3 of the clips out of the 4. Right here, I'm actually feeling for the comb so I can, you know, stick it in. And I actually did completely take off that first comb that was like in the front, that was just in the center of the wig for some reason. I didn't have glasses on, so I did not see that I had those naps. This is ghetto. Like, this is honestly kind of ghetto with the naps right there, and then I'm trying to like put some baby hairs with the weave. Like, it's a bit of a mess. Excuse me, y'all. I couldn't see. Like, I need glasses. I really do. But what I did do, I did put some Got2b spray over the sides of the part pretty much so it could lay better, because it was a little bumpy. But honestly, I should have like, and then I passed like the brush over that area too so it could lay flat, and it did seem to lay flatter, you know. I honestly though, I should have brushed, I guess, behind, because it looks like half of that part of the area is like flat and the other half is kind of bumpy. I should have, yeah, gone back more. Yeah, so after that, you know, just tie it down. I'll come back after my makeup's done. It's done after like about 40 minutes because I was doing my makeup and jamming out to some jams. I gotta make a playlist video coming soon. But yeah, last step is, of course, doing this little wet look using water and conditioner because it was super hot that day. So, well, it was super hot today. So I needed to do the wet look to keep me a little cool. Okay? And that's it. So, those were the details for this Pizzazz hair and this beginner-friendly install that I did today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. There's one thing that I do want to say about this hair, though. This hair does shed. This hair sheds, y'all. Like, I'm not even gonna hold you, but I think that's all I have to say. I've been wearing this for like, well, this install I just put it on now, but you know, it's been a few days that I've been putting it on for a little bit. Today I'm really gonna, I think today is gonna be my first day really wearing it. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Deuces.